What's up? Yep, this video starts out a little sideways, but that's okay. We're about to throw it into augmented reality, and here it goes. I'm using iPhone 13 and the Polycam app, and I'm at the park, and I'm opening up a cave map that I made from a cave in Central Florida, and we're about to go inside and check it out. And we're in the cave, although we're still at the park. We did not leave the park. We're just in the cave now. And you can open this up into full scale and see the cave as it really is, or anything that you scan. Augmented reality allows you to scan things and then reopen them later. Imagine you can scan furniture and put it into your house and look at it before you actually buy it. I mean, some really cool technology that's coming out. So here's another cave called Dragon's Tooth Cave in the Florida Cavern State Park in northern Florida, and this is a different rock type, and this rock type gave me a little bit of trouble when I was making the scan, and I realized I was being affected by emissivity. So emissivity, it lives in the realm of infrared, and thermal cameras actually see two things. They see temperature and they see emissivity. So the average weekend warrior that buys a thermal camera doesn't understand what emissivity is, and they go out, buy one, and they start using it. They start seeing weird things, and next thing you know, they got a TV show and they're hunting ghosts and doing all this weird stuff, while us thermographers on the backside are going, "You're seeing emissivity, bud." But so everything has emissivity. Your skin, metals, glass, water, everything as value to emissivity, and that affects what you're seeing and how you see it. So it's very important to understand that, because rock has about a medium to high emissivity, which means it can be difficult to grab a little bit, or it could be very easy to grab. Rock types, and as you can see, even in this cave right here that I'm looking at right now, it grabbed very well. It has a lot of paint on the walls, and there's a lot of sunlight, a lot of yellow sunlight, and what I've been learning is that the yellow light seems to grab things very well, and scanning this cave gave me the idea to start scanning some sites in Colombia. You can see some trees coming into the thing, because I'm actually at the park walking through this cave. So here we go to Colombia, and we're in Colombia, and I'm grabbing petroglyphs, or pictograms actually, from the Muisca people, and we're going to start scanning a lot of these sites in Colombia. And this was the first one, and it scanned very well. As you can see, looks like I'm there with a video camera, but I'm not. I'm there scanning it in LIDAR, and you can see all these cool little drawings, and we can make measurements on them and everything, and it's actually protected. You know, if a fire came along and blackened this rock, which has happened in many sites in Colombia, these sites will actually be protected by having copies of them made by LiDAR scanning. So this is completely downloadable, and you'll be able to see it and look at it through your own phone and walk around and check it out just like I am. And super cool technology coming out, and I hope that other people can start doing this as well, and we can start getting a collection of cool little sites. But the yellow light you can see how it grabs every plant so easily, because the yellow light seems to have an effect, and I'm going to start using warm white in caves to see if I have any better results, because I've been using cool white as of right now, and cool white's just not doing it. Some cool little calendar-like drawings that the Muisca left. They would leave notes to each other on these rocks, and they actually had a hieroglyphic language. It's very cool tribe. They were one of the wealthiest civilizations to ever exist until the Spanish came. But thanks for watching this video, and if you got any questions, shoot them at me, and maybe we'll make some more stuff later. Throw up some more things.